I'm going to make some risotto. Really simple risotto, asparagus risotto. So I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil. Now, chopped onion, about a cup. Chopped shallot, half a cup. You just want to soften a bit. So now, rice. So that'll be, it's like a handful per person, which is like a cup-ish. So we're gonna toss this, stir this up a bit, and then you can do white wine, you can also do Prosecco, you can do champagne. And look at that. Nothing sticking. Once the alcohol starts to disappear, the smell of the alcohol, turn down the heat. Chicken stock. Basically, you're gonna just let that sit. You're gonna stir it occasionally. Some people stir risotto constantly because they have nothing else to do. So let that sit, and then you're gonna let that broth cook down. And as soon as that gets absorbed and cooks down, you add more. Stir again. So now this has cooked for about, let's say, between 15 and 20 minutes. These are asparagus and shallots that have been cooked, pre-cooked, but very quickly. You could also add, at this point, raw asparagus. But what I'm going to do is add this, and I'm just going to do this. Watch. Integrate that in, and you're going to add chunks of butter. And I'm just going to add a lot of Parmigiano. I'm going to give it a little stir delicately so you don't bruise the rice, as 'twere. Let it sit for 2 minutes. This comes off. This goes on. You can serve it in this, which you should. That's it.